What are zero knowledge proofs, ZKPs? It's a mathematical technique to verify the truth of information without revealing the information itself. The method was first introduced by researchers from MIT in 1985 paper. How do zero knowledge proofs work? A popular example to illustrate the basic idea behind ZKPs is as follows. Suppose you have a color-blind friend, the verifier, that cannot distinguish a green and a red ball from each other, have zero knowledge about whether the balls are different colors. You need to prove that the colors of the balls are different, but your friend needs something more than your words to be convinced. A ZKP method for this problem would be like this. Your friend takes the ball and lets you see which ball is in which hand. Then they either switch the balls between their hands and not behind your back. They then present the balls to you and ask you whether they switch the balls or not. As you can distinguish the green color from the red one, you can easily give the correct answer. Your friend is not convinced. You have a 50% chance to correctly guess whether they switched the balls or not. The balls can still be the same color. However, if they repeat this several times, eventually, the probability of you correctly guessing whether they switched the balls or not each time would be very low. This enables your friend, to verify that the balls are different colors without knowing the actual colors of the balls. A series of cryptographic algorithms are used in the real-world applications of ZKPs to enable the verification of a computational statement. For instance, using ZKP methods, a receiver of payment can verify that the payer has sufficient balance in their bank account without getting any other information about the payer's balance. What are the properties of zero knowledge proofs? Completeness. If the information provided by the prover is true, then a ZKP method must enable the verifier to verify that the prover is telling the truth. Soundness. If the information provided by the prover is false, then a ZKP method must allow the verifier to refute that the prover is telling the truth. Zero knowledge. The method must reveal to the verifier nothing else than whether the prover telling the truth or not. What are the different types of zero knowledge proofs? There are two main types: interactive zero knowledge proofs and non-interactive. In interactive, the prover and the verifier interact several times. The verifier challenges the prover, and in non-interactive, they cannot be verified only once at any time.